They said the sky was the limit. We said that's just the beginning. Selton Skye is rising, quarter by quarter, floor by floor, dream by dream. This is Ghana's skyline reimagined. And Q2 just changed everything. Welcome to the update you have been waiting for. Hi, my name is Chichi, and I'm happy to walk you through this update. Good to see you, Benny.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you. You know, anytime I see you, I'm just excited because I get to get the update, and especially on Q2, I like to know what is happening.
So what we've done on Q2 so far, we finished the basements, completed. MEP is completed. We're actually now on the 4th floor.
Right.
And on the core walls, we are on the 7th floor. So we are progressing very well.
It's a very open space. What is this like?
So this one will be your games room.
Oh, right.
And then the cinema will be upstairs.
Upstairs.
And your laundry will be this side.
Here.
This will be your open lounge area. So if you come from the reception, this whole piece here will be a lounge with double volume, with chandeliers going from there all the way down.
Wow.
There will be a wall in the middle of this. Yeah.
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
we'll block this out.
Yes. And this will be almost like a private meeting room.
Right.
So you can book this meeting room out.
Right.
If you're a guest or client, and then you can use it as a meeting room. And then what we've done is, if you come into reception, you can go all the way through to the restaurant, or you can do a walk-in from the front. Yeah.
I get it. What are we to expect for Q3?
Q3 is going to be very exciting. Plans for Q3, we will be on the 12th floor.
Wow.
It's a major jump.
Wow.
And core walls, we will be on floor number 17.
I can only imagine the view from the 17th floor by the time we get to Q3, because even on your ground floor, it's impeccable. And on the 4th floor, we have a whole view. So imagine, wow, this is so impressive.
Yes, I think that's why we call it Selton Skye.
Thank you. You got me right there. Thank you. Thank you. And that's your Q2 update for Selton Skye. And honestly, we are just getting started. Every floor that goes up is a promise being kept to investors, to future residents, to Ghana. If you haven't secured your units yet, now is the time. Don't watch this rise from the outside. Drop a comment, click the link, make the call. The sky isn't the limit here, it's just the view. I am Chichi. We'll see you at Q3. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on what's coming.